I'm so excited to build this. I can't wait. I just pulled my case out of this box and now I want to put some fans in. So let's get... Oh no, I broke it. Oh no, I broke it. What am I going to do with that? Has that ever happened to you? I'm pretty sure it has. It's happened to me quite a few times. So we're going to walk through this process and see if we can fix this with some magnets.
Alright, so we're back. I know you can't see my face, but this is so you guys can see what's going on here. Alright, so our first thing we're going to do is use magnet tape to where we're going to line it up on the edges, so hopefully it catches right here. And this is just going to be a great way to, trying to save some money if you do come across break this and you're out of like the return zone, the return time on, product. So this was like $4 at Lowe's. So technically, I mean, you can use this whole thing if you have to. $4 is pretty cheap, It's cheaper than having to go out and buy like a whole new case. So looks like this is the adhesive part. So once you peel this back, you're going to try to line it up like right in these areas right here where there's like longer strips where you can line this up, and hopefully it is enough to catch onto this metal edge right here. So that's what we're hoping for. Does it mean it's going to happen? Not necessarily. But another thing I do want to do is also try like gluing magnets to it. And most cases are like they have some steel in it. Okay, so all I got was some scissors, cutter maybe just in case we need it, a little hand towel, hand napkin, and some isopropyl alcohol 91 because it dries faster for one. So we're gonna fold this up, get a little IPA on here, and just clean out these edges. You just want to do a really good job and where you might adhere it to. So I'm just going to do the whole thing. As you can see, there's a lot of grime. But mostly just to get rid of, contaminants and stuff that might cause it not to adhere to. There we go. Now we'll take it off the edges here. Here we go, guys. Real quick. All right. Got that done out of the way. We're going to measure. And it's just going to be rough measure. It's not going to be like anything precise. You're not going to see it. So you're just going to take the edge of one, from one edge to the other. Get your scissors. Cut. That was pretty easy to cut. We're going to take this backing off, and we got to be kind of careful. You don't want to get your oils on the adhesive part of this. Okay. So there's one, right? Let's hope this works. Okay, so now is a moment of truth. Now we're going to see if what we did actually is going to help adhere this magnet, stick it to your case. So we'll tuck these guys in. I don't know how many times I've broken cases, so I was like, you know what, let me try to see if we can manage a way to fix this. I kind of feel I'm sticking a little bit, but not great. Not not great, guys. Not what I thought it was going to be. But, oh shit. I do want to see if I wonder if that's really sticky. Now I'm trying to figure out what I might have done wrong. Maybe it's just too far in. Because like I said, I can feel it's like magnetized, but it's just not, I guess, strong enough. By putting magnets on here. Thing. So like I said, I feel it sticking. I feel it sticking. Alright, so looks like we failed on this one, boys. You cannot add magnets to a cheapy little case and it's gonna revitalize it. Unless, let's try this. Right. Go here. Put on the edges of this case. Alright guys. I didn't know how this video was going to turn out, and so far, not too well. It's just okay. Let's see. No. So, for the question that if you can save a case where you kind of broke everything off of it, off the front panel, the question is, can you save it? And the answer is no. Okay, so I'm back. I am going to try to glue gun these. I think I found a couple spots. I had to do some shaving off camera, a lot of shaving off camera. So I just want to see if this works, but I wouldn't, at this point it's almost like just go get a new case. Now I don't have anything for the top here, which is a bummer. I did buy this for this video, so it's not like it was a case I was going to use. I bought it just so I can see if we could fix it. And moment of truth. And here we go. Technically, nope. So there we have it, guys. Can you fix a broken case with magnets? I mean, technically technically, yes. Nope. Right? I'm gonna flip you guys up here so I can talk to you. So technically, I mean, I guess you can say technically this is fixed, right? It holds together. I mean, there's really no gaps. The magnets are holding where they're supposed to be holding, right? Like I can, still takes a little bit of pressure to get off. I mean, so technically it's like a win. Technically. Would I trust this? Right? So would I trust this though? You're sitting on your desk, trying to see if any little movement knocks this off. I'm trying to, let me grab these front panel. That's another thing, is you got to take these off, which is a pain. I mean, any little movement and it pops right off. So, like I said, technically it's a win, but technically it's not at the same time. This magnet came off from here. So no, magnets won't fix this case. This is just a lost cause, and we're just going to end up probably throwing it away, which kind of sucks. But trying to reduce e-waste and stuff. I did come back, like I said, I did a lot of stuff off camera because I wanted to see if there was a way I can put these magnets on here and have it connect to the case. And I had gotten an idea from seeing it, like you see them put like the filters on with magnets. So I was like, well, maybe I can actually get this to work this way. And I guess this is what experiments are all about. I did only pay $5 for this case. We have like this auction here in town where, I mean, it's not like a computer auction or anything. It's just auction for whatever, really. So I bid on this. I bid $5. I won. But the sucky part about them is they never check. So there's sometimes like fans missing, or in this case, broken front panel. And another thing I noticed is it broke right here too. So, I mean, this was just like lost cause. And, you know, trying to save on e-waste and stuff, and you know, it's pretty much a brand new case other than these little problems. And sometimes you can't win them all, you know. Maybe I'll save these feet and save some of the parts on it, but other than that, there's really nothing else that is salvageable. Maybe these front panels right here. Hey, I might even take this front panel connector off and use it for my I have a Mac Pro case that I want to build something in, so maybe I'll use that. I'll still try to make this work somehow. We're going to salvage some pieces off of this. We're going to have some fun. And but thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button if this was helpful in any way for you. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to go down into our, would be maybe our 4th video now, for a giveaway for a condenser mic. We are giving one away once we hit 50 subscribers. I'm sorry, not 40, 50. And we're only 20 away. So thank you guys for your support. Go ahead and watch that video. In short, all you got to do is subscribe. Hit in one of these videos, hit a comment and say, hey, I subscribed. We'll put your name down and write you in a drawing for a condenser mic, so you might win. I gotta go, guys. Today is Sunday. I did kind of want to spend some time with y'all on your weekend right before like you head back to work, and try and experiment. it failed. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. My back hurts and I have to go.